Hey guys, Brent with Building the exocet. I just want to do a quick review on the Kraken manifold, the new kind of version 2, I think it's called T25, T28 manifold that he has put out now. I got this manifold Monday. Basically looks really nice. I think it's a big improvement in looks and just kind of looks a lot more tubular, I guess you would say, than the previous manifold. The first version, I think it's really a nice piece, and I was happy that I didn't buy one earlier. As you can see, it's got a really nice looking style to it. I believe it sets the turbo a little more in the front of the engine bay than the previous version. I'm not 100% sure on that. You guys could take a look and verify that for me. I'm not much of a Miata guy. This is going on my 2018 exomotive exocet. So I'm not going to have any good shots here for you guys of basically like Miata, the shelf, and some of the firewall things and stuff. As my exocet engine bay has quite a bit more room than the Miata's engine bay does. So as you can see, it fits on the car very, very nicely. There's really no issues with fitment except for this one spot down below here where the coolant pipe, I believe it's where it comes out of the mixing valve off the water pump there. The line that in my case goes to the back of the head, I think it's a heater core line if I remember right. But that will need to be shaved down as it does hit kind of one of the runners here on the manifold. Then here's just a picture with the turbo attached. This is a turbo T28. Just for reference, it's not clocked correctly or anything, just basically just loosely bolted up there. And in fact, it's barely touching the turbo manifold there. But just to give you guys an idea of placement in the engine bay and how it looks. Yeah, so overall, I'm very happy with the product. I think it's good quality. Kraken's been known to be a really good quality, and everybody seems to be pretty happy with his stuff. The only couple downsides I would say, and I'm not really sure if they are downsides, I shouldn't say, the machining on the basically the machined surfaces here on the head side and then on the turbo side where it's machined are pretty coarse. I mean, they are machined, but they're a little rough. I don't know if that's anything that's worthy to say it would cause a leak or anything like that. Just to give you guys a close-up here of the machining. I don't think it's anything that would cause a leak. I'll find out. I'll let you guys know if it does. But, that and basically just that one water pipe thing, but that's not a big deal. Shipping, extremely fast. I'm in Oregon from, what is it, Bulgaria, I think is where he's from. Bulgaria to Oregon. He shipped it out on a Friday afternoon. I got it on a Monday around lunchtime, which is incredible. Total cost for me for manifold, and I just did the elbow, the T25, T28 elbow, cast elbow, was I think $470 shipped. So from Flying Miata, I believe their log manifold, you're around $550 for their cast log manifold, and then another, I want to say it's like $200 or $300 for their cast elbow. So I mean, just both those together shipped were cheaper than Flying Miata's just manifold was, and this looks like a big improvement as far as manifolds go. So pretty excited to get this thing on. I'm going to start building my downpipe and exhaust this weekend. It's going to be custom. I'm welding it all up myself. So I'm not going to be able to drive my exocet here until the springtime, as it's just too cold out, rainy out this time of year to do that. So I'll have more information for you guys next year on how I like it. I'll probably do an updated review on the turbo kit and everything, but just going to give you guys a heads up on what it looks like, give you some close-up shots, and yeah, hope you like this. Hope this helps you out. See you next time.